Hello, Apaka Middle School students and families. Your moment of inspiration. Attitude is everything. I have learned that life is what we make of it. Always remember, yes, I can, and determined to live with that attitude. And that was said by Tasha Shu. She was our guest speaker last year. And now for your Wapaka Middle School news.
Registration for online summer school for grades 4K to 12 is now available. Registration will open on Friday, May 29th of 2020. Please click on the link provided in the email for more information. Summer School 2020 information and registration. This will be our last video of the year. Yes, it's my birthday, but I will never act like I'm 50, so sorry. We will, however, keep you updated during the summer as plans for next school year is in progress. And we're going to miss these videos. We've had a lot of fun, Laura, haven't we, making these videos?
We've had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's been great. The 8th grade recognition video link will be sent out on June 4th at 7 p.m. Also, the end of the year exchange of material plan will also be in that email, just for another remembrance of when you should be dropping your stuff off.
So a few things have changed since we've last chatted with you. First off, the Chromebooks. Grades 5 through 7, we're going to actually ask that you hold on to those Chromebooks until next school year. That is unless they are broken and need to be repaired. In that case, please bring them in on June 3rd or 4th when you exchange the materials. We will be turning off Google Hangouts and Google Meets during the summer, however, so you will not have access to those. 8th grade, please do remember to bring your devices, your chargers, and your cases back on June 3rd. Band instruments as well. If you have a school issued band instrument and your grades 6 and 7, and you are going to take band next year, you can hold on to your instruments so that you can practice over the summer. So we'll need your instruments back if you are an 8th grader or if you decided not to take band next year. And then grading. Our pass-fail parameters are as follows. If you receive an average of 1.5 or above, you will receive a pass for that class. If you have a 1 or below a 1.5, you will receive an F. That does not mean that we're going to have you repeat the same class or the same grade over again. It means that you're going to receive more assistance and differentiation the following school year. Also, if Mr. Meyer or I sent you an email yesterday about summer school remediation, please attend so that you can be set up for success for next school year.
And I've always liked to share something big that's happening around the world, or in this case, again, the United States. There's a huge moment in earth science, because I love my earth science so much, but there's a launching of astronauts from American soil back into space. This is a huge moment. And not only because we're launching them back into space, we have joined a commercial identity in SpaceX along with NASA. This is the first time that we've been united in two different areas in that. So this will be happening today on May 27th, 2020, this afternoon. So if you had a chance to watch it, you're watching history. If not, go back and watch it. You know, SpaceX is owned by Elon Musk, and he's like the Tesla guru. And go look at some of his launches. It's amazing when those booster rockets come off. They used to disintegrate and fall in the oceans. We would never get them back. Now the boosters come off, and he has them engineered where they can land exactly where they took off. They can do it on a ship at the sea as well. It's amazing to watch. It's just so cool. So look that up if you have time. And I have two inspirations here. One, kind of going back to what Ms. Colbert said, we can't direct the wind, but we can adjust the sail. Things are going to happen to us. We need to learn how to adjust to make sure we are being successful and continue our path. And this is just to recognize the achievement of what we've done for the last couple of months with teachers and parents and students and everybody involved, because it's been a lot and we have achieved a lot. So achievement seems to be connected with action. Successful men and women keep moving. They make mistakes, but don't quit. And we've always stressed that we're going to make mistakes. Mistakes is how we learn, and it continues moving us forward. So with that, in our last video of this year for sharing with you, which we hope we have a great, successful week and a half left, there's only one thing we can say. Go Comets!
Hey, and happy birthday, John.
Thank you
Happy
very
50th.
much.
50th.
Hey, you had a happy anniversary yesterday, right?
Oh yeah, well thanks.
You're
And
welcome.
also students, we cannot wait to see you next week when you drop off your materials. We're
Yes.
so pumped. So finish off strong. We can't wait to see you and have a great rest of your week.
See you next week.